We were going to go to Bahrain, and then the war happened, and I got a message from Indigo saying कि my flight has been delayed by 50 minutes. I was like, bro, I don't think this is happening. War के बीच में कौन बोलता है sorry तेरा flight 1 घंटा बाद. We went to Bran Lara's house. The questions I asked him is so stupid. 20 घंटे का flight लेके I was like Taylor Swift or Kendrick.
When was the last time you felt stupid?
There are like 10 times in a day where I've done something stupid, said something stupid. I think having podcasts now really makes you think that you can just say anything without edit ho jayega.
I live here.
It's right next to the sea. I came from near the national park. It's such a difference in scenery.
Yeah.
It's a great place. I won't dox you, don't worry. I'm not gonna be like exactly location ही नहीं बता रहा.
We have just converted this room into this podcasting space. तो थोड़ा rent justify करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Justify हो रहा है?
नहीं.
कोशिश.
नहीं, but you can also shit talk about like कि ये scene मैंने उस दिन आके आ रही थी ना आपके podcast में. क्या है?
मैं कांदिवली में रहता हूँ. मैं ये सब मैं any place near Bandra, I'm not gonna shit talk. like ये अच्छा लग रहा है. 1 घंटा travel करके कोई भी अच्छी जगह अच्छा ही लगेगा मेरे को.
Yeah, but like remember जब मैं आप लोगों
Yeah. That was so funny. That was actually so funny. And I don't care. That's not my house. That's not my equipment. And Antriksh is not me. That's my producer. I was like, बोलो. जब मुझे hurt होगा तब मैं बताता हूँ. मगर उसके पहले तब तक बोलते रहो.
Very bad with names. Just remind me the name of your friend, the Jaipur guy.
Hoshang.
And podcast का क्या नाम था?
Spender Bender.
Let's go.
But for some reason, everyone thinks it's called Splendor Bender, Splendor Blender, Spender Blender. I don't know why people can't say Spender Bender.
I have never YouTube searched Spender Blender. L कहीं ना कहीं तो मैं लाता ही हूँ. Either in blend or in like splend.
What is it? I didn't anticipate this.
So explain us what Spender Bender means.
Oh, it's because I spend a lot of money. I'll give you a live example right now because this T-shirt, I bought it right now. I bought this T-shirt right now.
Right now.
On the way. Because मेरे सारे कपड़े I was in Delhi for 2 days. I came back for a friend's wedding. I came back और my T-shirts and all weren't washed like the ones I like to wear. So then I was like, अब मैं क्या करूँ यार? I don't have decent enough T-shirts to wear. तो on the way मैं H&M जाके आया.
Crazy.
मतलब literally अंदर गया T-shirt. I knew which one to get. I bought it. Sorry. So the podcast is about spending money because I spend a lot. I like spending. I don't know where it came from.
And मेरे आने के बाद थोड़ा pick कर गया ना आपका. Like,
Yeah. No, but I think it's going to be our 50th episode now.
Oh wow, with whom?
No, I don't know. We haven't decided. We are going to do a live one with Ronak and Sapan abhi recently.
Nice.
So पहले we started it as a podcast. Hoshang, my co-host के घर पे, we were just doing the podcast.
अच्छा, so अब घर पे कर ही नहीं रहे आप लोग?
नहीं कर रहे. Then we were like, let's do some live shows also because that's also fun. So now we divided it. It's 2 live shows or 1 live show. It's alternate. 1 live show, then we do 1 normal podcast because that's also fun.
Yeah.
Just live. Live mein the thing is everyone's going for the jokes, but normal isme people are a little more chill. It's just a conversation more than it is about one-upping each other.
Yeah.
So when we started, our whole idea was ki people will get their most expensive stuff or like something they spent a lot on. But then we changed it. We made it into whatever people like buying. Like everyone has one thing.
Yeah.
Maybe shoes, whatever it is. Shoes like Siddharth Dudeja, I don't know if you know.
Yeah, I know.
He came on one episode and he has like a range of sleeping supplements that he uses. Like a range, I don't even know what half of
This
those
is a
things are.
range. I just take
Like
magnesium.
Magnesium hai, but magnesium maybe he has
कौन सा magnesium?
Some, I forgot. It's either a roll-on thing or a lotion thing, but there are gummies. So everyone has their own like thing that they spend on. I spend on everything.
But पता चला he's sleeping for 2 hours.
I'm sure he does. Just like me, we're freelancers, dude. We don't need to wake up early.
वो बस माहौल बनाया हुआ है कि
But everyone likes to spend on something. It doesn't need to be expensive or like can be cheap or whatever. But whatever they like spending on, they get on the podcast. they show us that, and it's fun to watch people be passionate about what they spend on.
But like I really liked being on your podcast, dude. उस दिन इतना मजा आया था, and I don't know, like इतनी घर homely vibe थी, and like
That's what I meant. It's a very, मतलब it becomes conversational. Live वाले में and this we divided so that there's a distinction. Views में भी distinction दिख जाता है उसमें because
अच्छा।
live gets views.
कितना difference है?
काफी. Yeah. It's a big difference. I don't know what it is. I think Ronak Rajani has ruined it for everyone because he got 4 people. वो panel, वो thumbnail में देखते ही I think people click. That's it, because that's what we're doing. We got the live shows are 4 people on a panel and suddenly views increased. We go back to the normal podcast, views decrease. We go back to 4 people panel. I'm like, dude, this is Ronak's doing for sure. वो 4 person वाला वो panel बना दिया है. तो अब लोग देखने लग जाते हैं. But so that's also the reason why we're doing more live.
आप live में you do the tickets and everything जैसे normally होता है.
Yeah.
And mostly you do it Habitat?
No, Khar Comedy Club.
अच्छा.
We have actually only done it. We have done it at another place also called, I think it's close by, called Jeff Goldberg Studio.
And उसमें audience कैसे participate करती है live वाले में?
So that's, we added one more element. उसमें before the audience enters, or while they enter, we give them a chit to write their stupid purchases. So वो लोग लिख देते हैं, and then we filter the best one, bad ones out, and we take out the best ones. And at the end of the show, we talk to them about, we got in some crazy, someone had a golden Nano.
Nano the car?
Yeah. Someone talked about BDSM stuff they bought. People were very open. I didn't expect people to become very open. I don't know what it is.
When you make it anonymous?
Yeah, no, it's not anonymous. No, I think that's why. So people think it's anonymous, I guess, some of them at least. Because वो लोग लिख तो देते हैं. And then at the end of the show, we read it out and we're like, who wrote this? Sometimes people don't raise their hands. Sometimes, a lot of times people haven't done that, and I'm like, dude, we know you wrote this. What? We told you we're gonna ask you, and then we just look stupid. We're just like, ye kiska hai? And then no one's raising their hand. But that's also fun. But a lot of times people raise their hands, and it's fun because they have crazy stuff. I'll have to think about it. Kitne sare the, because there's a lot of products people have
crazy
written. Some people have perfume. Like Khamba had a perfume. Addiction or obsession only at this point. Khamba got like, you got these testers, like decants, jo chote wale rehte hai for perfumes. I think I have this. The problem with this podcast, sorry, I have ADHD. The problem with this podcast is, I see any of my guests getting something, then I start buying those things. This is not good for me because कोई भी कुछ भी लेके आता हम लोग मेरे को भी खरीदना चाहिए, and then I'm the one spending the most because मैं बस सबका देख के खरीदते रहता हूँ कुछ ना कुछ. खंबा के बाद I have a perfume obsession now. I don't need to have these obsessions. But Khamba, sorry.
But how much would this perfume thing be?
The testers are for like 500 or something. But the bottles...
Testers, he's getting the testers.
He has perfume bottles also, but that he didn't get. Because it's easier to carry.
He got testers just for the podcast.
Yeah, for the podcast. He has bottles at home also. But testers also, he had like... how many did he have? 50-60 of those, and each are like 500 something. So just the testers, that's a lot of testers. I have like 3. I'm just starting out. I'll go broke eventually.
और इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा अमीरों वाला किसका है? Like who has the most expensive?
Oh, I don't know if you know this guy, Anuj MP4.
Oh yes.
Yeah. No, sorry, not Anuj MP4. It's Sakshi Shivdasani. Because her bags, she got like a bunch of bags, handbags. And I didn't know handbags were that expensive. They're very expensive. Like she had a bag worth 4.5 lakhs. And that's one of her bags. She had other bags for like 2.5. There were a bunch. Like the starting point was 20K. She bought a few bags. One was like a Lay's Magic Masala के design में एक bag. One was फटाफट के design में एक bag. One was Marlboro का एक डब्बा.
और ये Indian Magic Masala वाला भी लाखों का है.
नहीं, that was it appreciated. She bought it for 14,000 या कुछ. Now it's 45,000. It appreciated. I didn't even know about this whole new world. but turns out things appreciate.
So let's say if you have done अभी तक 50 episode, let's say जैसे आप बता रहे हो, तो उनमें से जूते वाले कितने थे? Because that's the most common thing, right?
It is.
Yeah. So how many sneaker peeps have you had?
Honestly, less.
Which is
Because
good.
it's good.
Yeah.
It's very good. There have been. ऐसे नहीं है. I remember सिद्धार्थ शेट्टी था जो जूते के बारे में बात कर रहा था. I'm sure there are a few more, but like considerably like lesser than you'd expect.
And when you had like invited me, did you know about my Japanese stationery thing?
I'd seen something. That's why I was like, कुछ तो है. I know है. You had only talked about it on Instagram somewhere. I'd seen it somewhere, which is why I was like, ठीक है, let's
So
get,
आप
let's
ढूंढ
get.
सन की लोग ढूंढते चले इसको पकड़ो इसको पकड़ो
Yeah,
इसको
yeah,
पकड़ो.
yeah. I know कि कौन है कौन, मतलब दिख जाता है थोड़ा if like they don't need to talk about it. If they're just doing a video or something, पहने हुए इसमें समझ आ जाता है कि कुछ तो है. They buy a lot of something or the other. Like no. Kanan also buys a lot. You can see it in the way he just behaves. I could see कि ये बहुत खरीदता है, and I'm right only. He buys such expensive stuff. He has a lot of expensive stuff. Like people who like spending, वो दिख जाता है if you just spend like a few hours with them.
I want it to like scale like anything, like you getting businessman, हाँ like ये property वगैरह, like scales बड़े हो रहे हैं, right?
Yeah.
It needs to, the joke needs to.
But what we've realized is comments ke through ही, I don't remember which episode it was, but if people come and talk about like really big investments, then the audience is like, अरे ये क्या है? We want those stupid-ish stuff.
Imagine you getting a finance influencer, क्या खरीदो थे वो ग्रो खोल के दे दे मेरी SIP.
You know, one episode we were thinking कि क्या बोलते हैं, savings और mutual funds और ये सब में ही करेंगे कि उसमें पैसे कितने गए हैं, क्योंकि I tried. I mean, I have someone who does my mutual funds for me because I'm stupid. Because then I was like, मैं खुद ही grow पे देख लेता हूँ, सब पैसे डुबा रहा हूँ मैं खुद ही. तो फिर I want more people who are dumb enough to do it on their own. मैं grow में कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ. तो
Bro, you need to get Nikhil Kamath on your podcast.
that'd be the best. I wish. That's what the really expensive बोल रहा था.
The really expensive guy.
Yeah. I want to know what they spend on. It'd be fun, but like थोड़ा सा balance रहना चाहिए, because if they, what I've realized is the audience doesn't like people who boast about कि मैं तो हूँ ही ऐसा वाला.
I'll tell you my wish list for your pod. Nikhil Kamath. One would be Anant Ambani.
bro, that is, what do I do with these people? Anant Ambani तो Mark Zuckerberg के पास सामने वो he's showing off.
Yeah. Anant Ambani has the craziest like watch का वो.
Exactly. Mark Zuckerberg, he only started
getting into watches after that.
Yeah, he was like, oh, that's a great watch. I was like, bro, you're way richer than Anant Ambani is. He's way richer. Not way richer, but I'm guessing.
And get some like ऐसे Gulf का कोई.
कहाँ से लो मैं? I'll DM them. Hey, I know you're busy right now. but can you, I saw on the news, but can you please make some time? Come to Khar. The really rich people, I want to know. It's fun but it's only fun like the Sakshi wala episode. We did it with Sakshi and Shamik, a comedian, and there was such a huge contrast. That's what made it fun, because Sakshi got her really expensive bags, and those bags looked fun also, but like they were very expensive. Shamik got 3 belts. He was like, I have 7 belts. And that's it. That was his product. He was like, I have 7 belts. And he tried to sell one of his belts. He was like, please buy it. I don't want it. 1500 में. So the contrast was what was funny. ये 1500 का चीज लेके आ रहा था, and this was like a 4.5 lakh का bag. So if I get a Dubai one, I'll get Shamik again. I don't know anyone else.
And apart from this, you're also doing more podcasts.
I have an F1 podcast also.
Okay.
You won't believe it. We were going to go to Bahrain to watch the race next month. Yeah, we're not. We're not.
You ever?
Yeah, we're not. But you know what's funny? We were going to go to watch the race. We usually do an episode right
But
after
like, kaun
the
sa?
race.
Is it side pod? Like,
No. It's called Drivers to Survive. You know Siddhartha Shetty, no?
Yeah.
It's me and him and two other friends.
I thought you were the Antariksha of side.
No. I'm not the Antariksha. Antariksh will be so pissed to hear this. It's called Drivers to Survive. It started off as a joke. We were like, oh, Drive to Survive ka Drivers to Survive karenge. But it turns out Google doesn't understand jokes. हम लोग Drivers to Survive Google करते तो Drive to Survive आता है. I'm like, अरे यार ये तो this backfired now. But it's doing well enough. We were going to go to Bahrain. And then the war happened. And I think a week back or something, I got a message from Indigo for the flight I had booked to Bahrain. I got a message saying कि my flight has been delayed by 50 minutes. I was like, bro, I don't think this is happening. What do you mean 50 minutes? It's not happening. ये वॉर के बीच में कौन बोलता है सॉरी तेरा फ्लाइट 1 घंटा बाद में होगा नहीं हो रहा है भाई मैं नहीं जा रहा वहां पर अभी
और एक्चुअली आप ऐसे भी कहते should I like I'll just get an H&M shirt
yeah I'll just buy something on the way I'll go I guess Indigo खुद बोल रहा है कि कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है बस 1 घंटा बाद में आ जाए एयरपोर्ट but it's a podcast about F1
and it's on also on YouTube.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. So all four of us, I mean, Shetty still knows more about F1, but we're all just casual fans only, and that's how we're selling it.
And who do you support?
I support Piastri, Oscar Piastri, and Ferrari.
I support Hamilton.
Yeah, Ferrari. Right now, this year Ferrari is.
No, but you support Ferrari, I support Hamilton. Difference. Do you support the team or do you support the individual?
Team, Leclerc team. Like Leclerc and Piastri are the two drivers I support, basically. So Piastri, but I don't like either teams that much.
Fair.
I like Ferrari, but the way they function is just annoying.
Yeah, it's crazy, dude.
It's annoying enough for me to not like. अब वो अच्छा करने लगेंगे ठीक है वरना it's just I like not being sad from. I mean I would like to not be sad from another source. It's fine. अब Ferrari वाला pain मुझे नहीं चाहिए. But Leclerc is good. Leclerc and Piastri. These are the two people I support.
And like, how does someone develop a love for Piastri?
I like how calm he is. I don't like overtly eccentric drivers. I like the calm ones who just आके drive करके चले जाते हैं चुपचाप.
So I also support Rajasthan Royals and IPL and I love Piastri for one reason. जब Vaibhav Suryavanshi, that youngest guy, like had done his like a century. Piastri had to like made a story about it.
Oh really? I didn't
Yes,
see that.
Piastri posted about it and I'm like, holy this is why two worlds meet.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
No, but I've seen Piastri in a lot of cricket related content.
Yes.
Australian no, तो I guess वो काफी है वो even.
He's posting about a guy named Vaibhav and like Rajasthan Royals and like
But there's a. I mean, he's not Indian technically, but there's a half Indian, quarter Indian, what do you call it, driver now in F1 called, he's the only new fresh driver abhi is bar, Arvid Lindblad karke.
Which team?
Red Bull ka secondary team, somewhat. It's called V-Carb. Visa Cash App Red Bull is the, Racing Bull, sorry, is the team's name.
Okay.
It's basically Red Bull ka जूनियर टीम जैसा
हमेशा एक रेड बुल की जूनियर टीम होती है पहले कुछ और नाम होता था
टोरो रॉसो था पहले नाम
अच्छा
वो लोग नाम बदलते रहते हैं वो पता नहीं कोई ध्यान नहीं देता उन पे तो वो लोग बस नाम बदलते जाते हैं बट अरविंद लिंडब्लाड इज आई थिंक हाफ या ही इज हाफ हिज either mom or dad one of them is Indian that's it
बट देन क्वार्टर कैसे हुआ हाफ हुआ ना
नहीं वही ना आई एम कंफ्यूज क्योंकि आई थिंक द mom or dad That was
also,
not, yeah, second generation वाला कुछ basically nani हाँ तो mom is Indian I think but I think the nani and nana are the
actual ones
actual
तो
Indian
उसके बाद half तो
yeah, वैसा कुछ है but F1 is fun that podcast is also fun बस बहुत गालियाँ पड़ती है स्पेंडर में गालियाँ नहीं पड़ती है which is nice
F1 fans हाँ थोड़े होते होंगे
yeah, और मैं Max को बहुत गाली देता हूँ I think
why
I don't I like him off track he's very nice off track I love him off track On track, he's just too good. That's it. That's the whole reason. He's so good. I just want the other. I want to see the others.
Yeah,
It has nothing to do with how bad. Nothing. He's too good.
Yeah.
So I just want to see the others. But बहुत गाली पड़ती है मेरे को.
एक बार मैक्स से एक रिपोर्टर ने पूछा था, मैक्स if we like race all the cars in reverse, who would win? And he's like, I don't care.
Yeah.
What the
Yeah, see?
जब उसने जर्नलिज्म छोड़ दी होगी भाई. He's like, I don't care.
True.
उल्टी चलाएंगे तो कौन वो सोचो जर्नलिस्ट सोच के क्या होगा, I need to do something different. हाँ ये देगा. I don't care bro.
This is brutal. क्योंकि ऐसा random questions. You know, once I had asked, I think I talked about this on Spencer only. I don't remember only anymore. I don't remember what I've talked about. I've yapped so much on these podcasts, but
I love your ADHD dude.
Yeah.
Reminds me of a 5-year older me. Like when 2021 में ऐसा होता था.
yeah. I just go off topic. No, but I talked to Bran Lara. I'd gone to.
You talked to Bran? Is he your friend?
No. I'd gone to Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know why that was under quotes, but I'd gone to Trinidad and Tobago. I'm not that big a cricket fan, but I know enough because my brother is a big cricket fan. He wanted to be a cricketer. I've seen enough of cricket to know it. But then I went to Trinidad for something. We went to Bran Lara's house.
What's the most expensive thing you
He had a full golf ke liye, he had a full pura alag se ek room.
Crazy.
And I could see everything wahan pe. I heard ki his house is on top of a chota hill. I heard कि वो वहाँ से ही मारता है. I have no clue ये होता है कि नहीं है. But I heard कि वो वहाँ से ही मारता है. रोड पे गिर जाएगा. But the questions I asked him is so stupid. 20 घंटे का flight लेके, I can't believe 20 घंटे का flight लेके, I was like Taylor Swift or Kendrick. And then he said Kendrick. I was like okay. I was like मैं इसके लिए 20 घंटे का flight क्यों लिया भाई? ब्रायन लारा को ये पूछने के लिए ये 20 घंटे. बट ऐसे 4-5 क्वेश्चन.
कुछ 400 का पूछा आपने. About his 400.
Nothing. No, they said कि random ही पूछो. I think एक कोई क्रिकेट के अराउंड था, but mostly random पूछो. But then Brian Lara got so anxious looking at so many people. He went back in and then he was like मैं वापस बाहर नहीं आ रहा. And then हम लोग को we had to go उसके घर के पीछे to interview him because he didn't want to come वापस. And then वो ऊपर बालकनी से बाय बोल रहा था सबको. उसके बाद ये सब के लिए 20 घंटे का. Wait, what was the point of this?
I don't know. Crazy.
Oh yeah, Max को पूछा था वो question.
Oof. अच्छा.
See man.
Where did
See
bro.
how far we've come.
3 साल पहले मैं किसी वेबसाइट पे गया था to get F1 races in my calendar because I operate via my calendar. तो बाय चांस उस पर उधर टिक लगाना होता है आपको कौन कौन सा अपडेट चाहिए. तो मैंने सिर्फ क्वालिफाइंग और मेन रेस का किया था. स्प्रिंट नहीं आ रहा बिकॉज मैंने उस दिन स्प्रिंट को 3 साल पहले टिक नहीं लगाया था. तो मेरे को करना पड़ेगा स्प्रिंट.
Sprint 6 ही है in the year. I think 6.
Are there more people in India who are doing F1 related content?
There are a few, but comedians के इसमें तो यही है. I don't think there are. I don't think there are. There are a lot of F1 influencers, and there are some like Bhattek करके. There's this one guy who really goes into the technical aspect of it.
My theory is that a lot of people want to make F1 content so that they get the access to go to races.
Yeah, that's also that's obviously one of the reasons why. So we were going to go to Bahrain just so that इस बार we were going to spend, but then to show कि हम race related content भी करेंगे तो Heineken, what do you say? Red Bull, come on. That's it. Bahrain is the cheaper one of the cheaper races to go to.
Why?
It's just cheaper. One, it's closer, and Azerbaijan is the cheapest, but I don't think यहाँ पे we're allowed. कुछ तो है. There's some scene going on between India and Azerbaijan. कुछ तो है. तो वो हम नहीं कर पाए थे. But Bahrain is cheap. I think Saudi is also a little cheap. Like it's just closer. Singapore is not cheap, obviously, because it's Singapore. But wait, to show, that was one of the reasons why we started, so that we could get to go to the one of the races. And
it will eventually come back to India, right? In 5-6 years.
They're trying. The government is trying again to get it to.
Imagine in 1000 AQI.
They did an event recently. MotoJam. कुछ ही था Red Bull का. Ed Booth International Circuit. They did one event, and again it looked so bad. The AQI, yeah, it looks dystopian. The AQI is so bad. If you look at the older pictures, Vettel wala, when he won here in
not
India, yeah, but you can't see anything. And that was then. Imagine now.
But how old are you?
I'm 32.
I'm 31. I don't know, like, अपन जैसे 30s के होता, we get into these old uncle-like things, right? Like, we have become uncles now, no?
Only uncles, dude.
Yeah,
I'm,
no,
crying.
like
I'm just glad I have a face that looks younger. otherwise, old-looking plus uncle activities is too much. I want one thing to be a little.
Yeah, man. I have F1 in my calendar, dude. Like, imagine कि हाँ, this is my, don't disturb me, I have to watch a race.
Full uncle. So, sometimes I catch myself, like, मैं हाथ पीछे ऐसे करके खड़ा रहता हूँ आज के. I was like, ये कब चालू हुआ? I have no clue. I have no clue when I started standing ऐसा, बस ऐसे सोचते अरे ये मैं नहीं करता था तो 20s में 30 हिट करते ही I was like बुड्ढा. It's not like 30s hasn't hit me yet, not mentally, physically, मतलब hasn't completely hit me yet. So once that hits, I'll know I'm properly in my 30s.
Yeah, man, but it's very real. Do you also feel tired?
Yeah, all the time, dude. I think that also has to do with the city, but in general, I feel very tired. But I have been exercising since forever, so I think I'm glad I have been, because I think that has helped me just be a little more, what do you call it, physically sane, normal, because I've been exercising for what, 16 years.
Like strength training?
All of it, like anything, cardio, ये वो. Because I was a nice little chubby kid, तो फिर वो weight lose करने के लिए I started working out, and then I think मैं बस उसके बाद डर के वजह से मैं बस हर दिन workout करता हूँ कि अब मैं वापस ना मोटा ना हो जाऊँ.
And have you done like any solo podcast lately? जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं one-on-one.
My memory is so bad, dude.
It's beautiful, bro. I'm loving it.
What had I?
Have you seen Sayyara?
No.
Bro, you should see it.
उसमें ऐसे ही कुछ है ना, in the end she has what does she have?
क्या बोलते हैं?
Dementia?
कौन सा dementia? कुछ young वाला, कोई premature or something.
Convenience of God.
नहीं convenience.
Early onset dementia.
हाँ dementia, which type of dementia? तो उसमें वो डॉक्टर के पास जाती है, डॉक्टर पूछता है कि आपको याद है कि आज की तारीख क्या है, एंड फिर डॉक्टर उससे पूछता है कि आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, उसको नहीं पता होता. शी इज लाइक
मुझे भी आज की तारीख नहीं पता है भाई, आज क्या.
So she is like आपको early onset dementia, and like the whole movie is about that.
बस डेट नहीं पता तो डिमेंशिया ही बोल दिया उसको. That is, अरे मुझे भी डेट नहीं पता क्या है, 13th डिमेंशिया थोड़ी हो गया यार.
You never know, bro. You never know.
Oh no. Oh shit. Wait, what? हाँ, I'd been to relationship Raunak ka.
Your besties Mrunal and Sudhansh.
And oh, I had been meaning to talk about this. I'd also done Tanmay Reacts like 3 months back, and oh man, I was so bad. Oh god, dude. Oh god, if you watch it now, the first half of that video, I'm only laughing at anything. That's because एक मीम दिखाया, 2 मीम दिखाया, 3 मीम दिखाया, तीसरे मीम तक I was like मुझे कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, एक जोक नहीं आ रहा है. I was like, how do I participate if I have 0 jokes? I was like, मैं बस हंसते रहता हूँ. I think at least क्योंकि zoom है ना, if you laugh a lot, the camera, like the focus is on you.
Which one is it?
कौन बनेगा वो जी?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Episode of
Please don't watch the whole thing. I haven't watched the whole thing.
I will also see comments साथ.
No, मेरे बारे में बहुत कम ही बोला है क्योंकि I get it.
अरे हम बोलते हैं यार.
नहीं मत बोलो. नहीं अच्छा है. So when it came out, I was like, I hope no one abuses me. I'm okay with no one talking about me. That's way better than being like वो कुछ बोला ही नहीं वही.
This is me on latent. this is what happened with me on latent. कि गाली नहीं दे, मैं कुछ
वही मैं कुछ बोलूं नहीं.
Where are you?
Here.
कितने लोग थे?
अरे so he like the 4 of us did one and he did another.
Why can't I see you?
क्योंकि मैं नहीं बोल रहा ना कुछ. तो नहीं आ रहा ना वहाँ कुछ. Wait, I'll tell you the one. I'll show you the one joke I had. अबे चुप कर.
सबके घर पे वो होता था ना जो कपड़े टंगाने का जो एक लकड़ी होता था.
लकड़ी पे टंगाते थे.
नहीं रे, वो डंडा.
अच्छा जिम्बाब्वे में ये था.
Govind, how much time did you spend in Zimbabwe?
Very less. But my dad was there for 3 years. हम लोग वहाँ पे 6 महीना आसपास थे और तब तक वापस भेज दिया हम लोग को.
तुम लोग के पास बहुत पैसे, निकल जाओ यहाँ से, ऐसा लगा.
अरे नहीं, वहाँ पे कुछ भी चल रहा है ना. हम लोग का घर चोरी हो गया था. हम लोग विक्टोरिया फॉल्स गए थे वहाँ पे. It's close. ये सब सुनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. This. He looks like Krishna.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम amigo.
That's it. एक one joke. So the thing is, तीसरे मीम के बाद I was like, ये skill मेरे में शायद है नहीं. और तो thinking on the spot, तो मैं कुछ बोला ही नहीं. It's a little tough. It's very tough to do this format.
Yeah, and I think it's a prerequisite that you have to laugh a lot in general वहाँ पे.
I guess so. I mean, my strategy was that so that you know Zoom पे या जो भी हो इस पे.
कि आपको अपना डब्बा मिल जाए.
हाँ, exactly. अगर मैं हंसूं तो Zoom को लगेगा कि ये कुछ बोल रहा है कि नहीं, मैं तो बस हंस रहा था भाई. मैं बस बट मेरा मुंह दिखते जाएगा बस. That's it.
What? ये this is such real life dystopia, bro.
The need for validation is so deep that I was like, कैसे लूँ मैं validation यहाँ पर? But some people are very good at it. वो दिख जाता है starting में.
Vishal Dayama is really good.
Very good at it. You can see it. If they like
Rohan Joshi is really
Rohan
good.
Joshi is really good at it. मेरे episode में Anurag Singh करके there's a comedian from Banaras. He was just starts it or just on it. And I was like, अब ठीक है, ये लोग का episode मैं हंसते रहता हूँ बस. I think
Piyush is also funny.
Piyush is also wait.
Yeah.
If you some people have that skill. If you can, I don't. I realize I just don't have it, which is why I'm fine. I just didn't want anyone to abuse me in the comments. I was like, it's okay. This is not for me. I am fine with it. बस गाली मत दो मेरे को. बस वही है.
Crazy. When was the last time you felt stupid?
Oh, right now when I was coming, मैं ये H&M से खरीदा था ना. अभी आते टाइम ही मैंने ये H&M से खरीदा था. फिर मैं ये पहना था. I wore it and I was like, ठीक है, ये पहन के जाऊँगा. अभी आता हूँ. मैंने उल्टा पहना था. मैंने नीचे स्टेज पे बदला ये. In a day there are like 10 times in a day where I've done something stupid, said something stupid, and then I'm like, मैंने ये क्या बोल दिया, क्यों बोल दिया. I think having podcasts ना really makes you think that you can just say anything without edit हो जाएगा. Real life में थोड़ी edit हो रहा है यार. ये तो conversation हुआ ना, उसमें थोड़ी edit कर सकता हूँ. But stupid in what way? Because it's divided in multiple ways.
So let's first like talk about memory. Like you had basically a memory fog, which like had consequences.
I was in Kerala and my nanny was in the hospital and मैं वहाँ पे park करने के लिए गाड़ी कहीं तो park कर दिया था. ठीक है. I did not think about it. I just parked and I wasn't in a rush also. I just parked somewhere and then I went up. Then I had to get something. तो मैं वापस गाड़ी के पास जा रहा था and वहाँ पर पूरा एक mob आ गया था because turns out I was blocking the whole road. I was blocking. I don't know why I thought I could park there. Because it was actually not in the middle of the road, but like I think people take it more seriously in Kerala than here. यहाँ पे तो मैं कितनी बार देखो लोगों को रोड के बीच में पार्क करके जाते हुए. I don't think you can do it in Kerala, but मैंने पार्क कर दिया and it was a full mob. They were gonna burst my tires. They were pissed off कि ये क्या है, ये कौन है, ये जो आके ये कर रहा है. They were gonna burst my tires. They were gonna destroy my car. So I was like, how do I get out of this? क्योंकि I had to pick something up from my car only. So I was like, how do I get out of it? So I went there. I told them कि अरे सॉरी मेरे भाई ने पार्क किया, उसने यहाँ क्यों पार्क कर दिया. They somehow bought it. Otherwise I would have been beaten. It was a full mob of people who had gone there. But मैंने बोल दिया मेरे भाई ने मेरा भाई था भी नहीं वहाँ पर. मैंने ही पार्क किया था.
But when you said when I asked you कि a memory fog which had consequences, you were like, oh, so one time my nanny was in hospital. I was like,
she died, but now that was way later. She died way later. Then nothing happened. She was fine after that. Right. Tabi she was fine. In this story, she's fine. After this, I hope my mom doesn't watch me. We'll say like, yeah, she died.
Oh dude, so ये तो हो गया memory related हो गया. And like some place where you were really dumb, like where you thought that your IQ is like really low.
It's not just me who's thought that. My parents had my IQ tested when I was a kid. They took me to a place to have my IQ tested because they thought I'm that stupid. That was a really, I got very annoyed. I remember getting, because I was like, I'm not this stupid, dude. Why are you testing my IQ and all, man? Have you gotten an IQ test?
But I'll get to that. But imagine, it is such a scary thought कि तेरा IQ टेस्ट लेने चलते हैं, आप अच्छा परफॉर्म ही नहीं कर पाओगे यार. Like आपको रास्ते में बोलते नहीं तेरा टेस्ट लेंगे, नहीं लाइक आप गोले गलत बना के आ रहे हो.
I did the whole thing pissed off. वो जो भी tests थे, I did it pissed off because I was like, my parents think I'm stupid, dude. This is just annoying. And मेरे बड़े भाई का टेस्ट नहीं किया था, my brother. उसका ठीक है. But I know why my IQ got tested also, because in school, that was very stupid of me anyway. In school, I was younger, like young. I was like 12, 13 something. Tabhi my parents were like, but then the principal or someone had come to the class and she had told us कि पढ़ाई करने के बीच में take a break, look outside, look at nature, have a Kit Kat या कुछ ऐसे something along these lines she had said. I only took the look outside part seriously. तो मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा था, मैं बाहर देख के जा रहा था. And my mom was like, इसको क्या हो गया, ये बाहर क्यों देखे जा रहा है? So I get why they got my IQ tested.
How was the score?
It was good enough. Like I think 110 या कुछ था, which I don't know if it's different for children and adults and if it changes. I don't know that. But he said कि ठीक है. But he also said कि go please get him tested for ADHD. Which my parents never did.
You took all the wrong tests. Bro.
They said ADHD test करो, कुछ नहीं, वो फाइल अंदर रख दिया mom dad. खत्म, आप ठीक है, इतना काफी है. He is not dumb ना, बस खत्म, आप बस अंदर. तो ADHD भी हो सकता है. Which is why I know कि ADHD
नहीं आपका पक्का है bro.
पक्का है ना, ठीक है, good. Good. And 2 people also called me autistic.
So you know there is a very premium form of ADHD out there. It is called AUDHD. It is AUADHD, U being lowercase. It's very premium. Like you get all the superpowers, both of autism and of ADHD.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a real thing.
It's a real thing where you are also autistic and you are. So I took both the tests also. I had to take the autism test also. I'm not autistic. बट मैं जैसे बातें कर रहा था, मेरे को उन्हें लगा भाई ये है. एंड yeah, so I took the test and I was.
You're not autistic.
But I have ADHD.
You have ADHD.
But it's I sometimes feel यार ये ADHD वाले तो मतलब Audi नाम में ही है भाई मेरा. It's very cool. Like
But what?
It's basically like your sensory powers are like way too high as compared to others. You can like notice things in regard to emotions, in regard to aap like just heightened. Like you would never have to maybe smoke up ever. You'll just have all the powers at all times.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'm just making shit up.
But I'm sure.
No, I also think a friend of mine has this. I might have like said to him in some ways or not, like both autism and ADHD. He sucks at a few things when it comes to normal interactions, but he's so good at all the other things. I'm like, dude, this is inhuman. So like I'm just saying कि some skills you get are like holy, like वो आपके अंदर का Rain Man जाग जाता है.
Like what?
Like वो Rain Man का सीन है ना कि like toothpicks गिर जाती हैं 540 So
वो तो नहीं है मेरे पास. But 2 people after 2 different shows. Okay, I done stand up once in Goa. Where was I? Some place in Goa. Did the show. खत्म हुआ. One of the audience members, he came up to me after the show and he was like, "You're autistic."
Crazy, bro.
What? He was like, "No, I'm autistic, so I know." I was like, "Dude, how did you like the show? You can't just tell me I'm autistic. How was my set?" This is your whole feedback that I'm autistic. how are my jokes, dude? And then his girlfriend came in like, you can't just tell everyone that random people told him ki you can't tell random people they're autistic. I was like, no, I appreciate it. I mean, I didn't think about this before ki I'm autistic. But uske baad, a year or two later, at a show in Juhu, after the show, this woman came up to me. She found me. I was talking to like 2-3 people. We were having some conversation. She just like pushed the others aside and she's like, you're autistic. I was like, okay, I'm autistic again. This is a different city. This is a different person. She said she's a psychiatrist or something. So I was like, now I guess I am. If she can tell me I'm autistic, then I guess I am. So I guess ADHD पहले बोल चुका है. कोई autism बोला तो I guess वो mix करके कुछ ना कुछ होगा. कितने problems हो सकते हैं?
No, this मैंने तो ये करा कि let's ask ChatGPT like, hey, can you tell me like if a friend of mine has both autism and ADHD, I think it's called ADHD or something. What are the benefits of it and what are the good things about having both autism and ADHD?
Yeah, absolutely. So the term is often called AUDHD, and it refers to a person who has both autism and ADHD. And while every individual is different, some of the strengths that people talk about include really deep focus on interests, a lot of creativity, sometimes a really unique way of seeing the world, and often strong problem-solving skills. Of course, it can also come with challenges like executive functioning difficulties or social nuances, but those strengths are really worth noting.
Can you also tell me about the negatives in detail?
Of course, yeah. So while there are strengths, there are definitely challenges that come with AUDHD. For example, executive functioning can be really difficult. Things like organization, time management, and planning. Sensory sensitivities can be heightened, like certain sounds or lights might be overwhelming. Social interactions can be tricky because both conditions affect how people interpret and respond to social cues. And sometimes it can be harder to get tailored support because the overlap of both conditions isn't always recognized. So it's really about finding individualized support and understanding those nuances.
Should I make my friend take an IQ test?
I wouldn't necessarily jump.
Suddenly ChatGPT is like, what the fuck, don't know.
Really give a small sense.
अरे बस कर.
बस भाई.
What the?
Your time management though, man, correct. I have tried fixing it so much. I don't know what to do about the time management thing. It's just, I'm always just a little late. It doesn't matter when I leave. I left keeping in mind the H&M time, like 20 minutes of H&M time. I still got late. It's like, dude, what? It just takes more time. Even if I leave early, then it takes more time. There's some time management issue.
There is a term for it, which is a very big part of ADHD. It's called time blindness.
Yeah.
So I have an app which tells me every time an hour passes, notification आती है. Because नहीं तो आपको पता नहीं चलता भाई.
Exactly.
So मेरे तो phone like silence पे रहता है. नहीं तो जब silent mode पे नहीं होता, एक वो होता है ना जैसे like ऐसे धर्मशाला का या किसी ऐसे मोनास्ट्री का घंटा बजता है. That is the notification. हर घंटा. And it's very beautiful, but I don't like sounds, तो मैं वो बंद रखता हूँ. तो मेरे को notification vibration. But it's a beautiful sound that you get every hour.
Oh, that's nice, dude, to know that each hour has passed. I have no clue. I'll have no clue that an hour has. That's true. Time blindness here.
How well do you take criticism?
I'm fine taking criticism.
वो भी एक अलग domain होती है कि people sensitive to rejection.
I mean, I am a little sensitive. I'm not saying कि कुछ भी बोल दो मैं तो. But I mean, I've grown to take more. Now I take more criticism, take it well.
Yeah, you have been trained to.
I've been trained to because पहले I was like ऐसा थोड़ी. Then I was like मेरा career कहीं जा क्यों नहीं रहा है. I was like अच्छा मैं कोई criticism ही नहीं ले रहा. मैं बस जो कर रहा हूँ वही करे जा रहा हूँ तो यही होगा. So then I was like I have to take criticism to some extent.
Yeah.
Otherwise it doesn't happen because anyone who doesn't take criticism, you're going to stay there only otherwise.
And does coffee help you?
So coffee doesn't I just like the taste of it. It doesn't really help me stay awake for longer because I can have it at night and sleep.
So again, this is.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding. This is an ADHD thing. This is very real because people who have ADHD they sleep after having coffee because mostly जब लोग coffee लेते हैं तो उनका dopamine level बढ़ जाता है. तो हम लोगों को anyway मैं तो हम सो जाते
Are you
I'm
serious,
not
dude?
kidding.
ये diagnosis हो रहा है यहाँ पर ADHD का.
I'm not. This coffee thing is very real because I had coffee at 10 p.m. and I've slept by 10:15.
I love having coffee at night sometimes. Because it doesn't matter. I
But
can
it's
sleep.
said like आप किसी भी गुरु को फॉलो करो नहीं शाम के बाद कॉफी नहीं
Yeah.
लेते ये वो yeah.
I never understand people who say कि अरे मैं 6 बजे अगर कॉफी पी लिया तो फिर खाता हूँ मैं कुछ क्या खाता हूँ dude, मैं आराम से पी सकता हूँ.
It's your magnesium glycinate.
Because a lot of times I work out of cafes also because I can't work at home because I get distracted by anything and everything. So I go to cafes and sit and work because I have no other option but to work. If I keep a laptop open, बस अब कितना टाइम लोग भी देख रहे हैं ना कि ये बैठा हुआ है 2 घंटे से तो कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा मुझे. It also helps me reduce smoking. क्योंकि if I sit and smoke, I mean if I sit inside and I work, I have to go out to smoke. So if I go out a lot, the people in the cafe will know how much I smoke.
Yeah.
So that helps me reduce smoking.
Imagine now. Yeah, so this is AIDS.
You just keep diagnosing me. This is by the end of the podcast, I'm like, I have 25 new problems that I need to take care of. I came in not knowing I have ADHD and ADHD. That's a very fun name though.
But दो audience वाला इतना crazy था. Like imagine 2 different people and coming and saying because autism is also not received well in our like society, right?
I'm fine with people like telling me I am autistic. I mean, I'm not fine with it, but it's okay. But to find me after a show and be like, कहाँ है इसको तो बोलना ही है मुझे in 2 different cities. I'm like, फिर तो मैं हूँ. I don't need a diagnosis. 2 जन अलग अलग, एक psychiatrist और एक autistic, एक patient और एक psychiatrist, दोनों बोल रहे हैं.
And when was the last time you felt really, really intelligent?
I don't think it registers if I've said anything intelligent also. It doesn't register because I think sometimes the problem is I know I try to learn about things, whatever it is, learn about new things. But a lot of these things, base level से थोड़ा आगे मुझे पता है बस. तो I've never felt intelligent in a lot of topics क्योंकि base level के आगे पता है, उसके आगे कुछ नहीं पता क्योंकि भूल जाता हूँ मैं. I just forget. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, read about whatever, but मैं सब भूल जाता हूँ.
Yeah.
So I barely feel intelligent in a lot of these ways क्योंकि सबका थोड़ा थोड़ा पता है मुझे. I try to learn more. Even F1 is too complicated a sport also. But beyond a point, मैं भूल जाता हूँ. जो भी आता है वो चले जाता है. कुछ random jokes आ जाते हैं उसके बदले जो चलते भी नहीं है. Those replace the.
While you are watching an F1 race, आप सोचते हो कि नहीं 1 pit stop और 2 pit stop क्योंकि वो 2 लेगा तो यहाँ निकलेगा तो
इतना मतलब to an extent yeah, but मतलब वो calculations, I'm bad at math also ना, तो वो सब calculations होते नहीं है. When was the last time you felt intelligent?
I think it was in 2022 and I was in Dubai and I was
how is you have to mention the year. Not 3 months back.
no 4 years back I was playing chess and I made 2 brilliant moves in a game. Dude, I was like so amazed. I sent a snapshot to Sagar Shah. Who runs chess? He's like, very good, Vaibhav. And I'm so intelligent.
Sometimes on stage, when I'm talking to the crowd and there's crowd interaction या कुछ हो, उसमें sometimes if they say something and suddenly even before I can formulate the thought, if I say something that's very funny and it works, that's when I feel intelligent because I'm like it didn't even register in my own head, but like I just said it out of like because I've been doing it for long enough.
So I'll tell you the craziest thing, okay? I also think I don't have a very high IQ, but I think I am very intelligent in a few particular domains. And then there is this guy, Robert Greene, who has written some of the best like these rules of power वाली books ना.
Okay.
उसने एक बार एक किताब recommend करी थी. This is motherfucking interesting, okay? उसने एक किताब recommend करी थी एक बार, which was basically about कि general intelligence is very different from specific intelligence. So basically he's like कि एक book दुनिया में सबको पढ़नी चाहिए. I'll find the name and tell you, which is about कि जनरल इंटेलिजेंस जो है ना कि IQ टेस्ट कि IQ टेस्ट इज अ वेरी रॉन्ग वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट इंटेलिजेंस कि किसकी कितनी मेमोरी है और वो बहुत आउटडेटेड है. तो एक्चुअल जो इंटेलिजेंस होती है ना वो 4 या 5 वे में डिवाइड की जा सकती है. वन इज लिंग्विस्टिक इंटेलिजेंस, वन इज लाइक द वे यू टॉक विद पीपल, पीपल्स इंटेलिजेंस. सो देयर आर 5-6 नेम टू. आई मीन लाइक तो मेरे को लगा पीपल्स वाला तो मेरा बहुत हाई है, इट्स लाइक इनसेनली हाई. एंड देन व्हेन मैंने देखा, आई विल टेल यू द नेम्स ऑफ दीज आल्सो, मजा आ गया मेरे को पढ़ के. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी हाईली थ्योरेटिकल बुक कि हर लाइन के बाद रेफरेंस है. इट्स नॉट लाइक तुक्काबाजी, इट्स अ साइंटिफिक बुक.
Okay.
इट्स नॉट लाइक आई विल टेल यू. अगर मेरे को 1 मिनट में नहीं आया तो मैं लैपटॉप, हाँ अरे खोलिए यार. इट्स कॉल्ड Frames of Mind. मेरे को इसकी Kindle नहीं मिला, so I have a PDF. I'll tell you the names of the chapters. Okay, the idea of multiple intelligences. Now the types of intelligences: linguistic intelligence, musical intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, spatial intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, the personal intelligence.
Bodily kinesthetic intelligence.
ये मेरे को भी देखना पड़ेगा. चलते हैं 205 पे.
बहुत ज्यादा आगे.
पर स्पेशल भी कि कुछ लोगों का जो होता है ना स्पेशल सेंसेस.
Yeah. That actually makes more sense than
Yes, this is school, right? इसमें आपको 4 दिख जाएंगे. हाँ यार ये मेरा strong है, ये मेरा.
Yeah, and that's a better way of looking at it also. Okay, ये सब में not everyone's good at
Exactly. So
everything.
this book is basically about some of the greatest people who have ever lived, who had terrible IQ, और उनका हर एक इंटेलिजेंस के एक्सपर्टीज से वो चैप्टर चालू होता है. आप समझ लो कि जैसे चालू करें, नॉट आइंस्टाइन, उनका तो IQ हाई था, बट लाइक सम क्रेजी एस फेमस पर्सन कि उसका ये आया, उसको बोला कि तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता, एंड द होल चैप्टर इज डेडिकेटेड टू हाउ दैट पर्सन बिकेम टू बी वेंट ऑन टू बिकम वन ऑफ द ग्रेट्स. कि he had just a specific intelligence.
like who an example of some person.
अरे हमारी बेबे बैठी है ना, इनसे पूछते हैं, रुको. Who are some of the most famous people who, apart from Govind and Vaibhav, who had very mediocre or terrible IQ but went on to attain like crazy amounts of greatness in life?
Yeah. So a couple of examples people often mention, like Thomas Edison, for instance. He had a pretty low IQ score by some reports, but obviously he revolutionized so much in the world.
वो तो चोरी
Another
करता था.
example is Chris Gardner, the subject of The Pursuit of Happiness. He struggled in school, but went on to become a hugely successful entrepreneur.
Thomas Edison तो चोरी करता था. That's true. I forgot.
So yeah, we are bro.
Good now. It's okay, man.
But yeah, मैं जब तक ये बुक पढ़ूंगा आपको भेजूंगा मैं कुछ चीजें, and then you can decide never to reply to me. And
Man,
you
I'm
guys,
sorry.
you know the only reason why this podcast is having, because I first reached out to you after the podcast you invited to me to.
Yeah.
Like I had made a film, I wanted to invite you to a premiere.
Oh, you know that उसका answer I have.
मैंने ये भी लिखा था, please invite Hoshang also on my behalf.
Hoshang was with me in Bangalore तभी.
Don't have his number. Then I'm like, oh, मेरा फिर like कि एक दिन पहले premiere से I called you 20 दिसंबर को, no answer. Then 3 मार्च like no answer. मैंने कहा ऐसा क्या बोल के आया था मैं इनके पॉडकास्ट पे. Then I'm like, bro कहाँ हो? Then you didn't answer. Then I called Antariksh. He's like, hey, मैंने कहा I want to speak to Govind, dude, he's ignoring me. And then he said like I'll speak to him वगैरह. And then also nothing happened. Then I found you in front of me. I'm like, bro, stop. What is your deal?
I'll tell you how I do text. First of all, I get overwhelmed with like just अगर उठते ही ऐसे 6 मैसेज आ गए, I'm like ये मैं नहीं कर रहा इतने सारे reply. I can't because it's constant. So I just get burnt out with it. So now I found a way of doing it, which is also horrible way of replying, which is कि if I reply to any message and I don't want to have a full-blown conversation, if I'm doing something जो भी हो, it changed to just every time now. But if I reply, then I keep it in archive. It means nothing, but I just keep it in archive so that I come back to it later. But that's become a problem because everyone's in archive now. Everyone is in archive and I just forget to reply only now because
You don't get a notification of the archive.
Yeah, no, you don't now because you have to go to WhatsApp to look at how many archived messages you have. When I got to know it's a problem is when once I opened it and I realized I put my mom dad in archive also. I was like, now I have to stop. I can't put my parents in archive. Yeah, I can't archive my parents' message. That's too much. I just get overwhelmed by messages online because there's Instagram, there's WhatsApp, and mails. It's just too much for me. I think have to take some medication to make it better. But I just can't. I can't handle it. That's it. It's nothing personal. Every day, there's at least 2 people who are pissed at me because I didn't reply. So someone or the other is pissed at me for not
Do
replying.
you have a manager?
I do. That's why it's that. Thank God I do. Otherwise, I would have lost out on work also. I have, because I haven't replied. I have lost out on work. The thing is, I look at a message, I'm like, I'll reply, and I don't. Like, I'm sure a lot of people do that,
Yeah,
where they're
yeah.
like, oh, I'll reply in a while, and then you just forget. Are you good at just texts in general?
I've just made a lot of structures around
Yeah.
it. Like, and I have a team and everything. I have 2-3 people who are always on non-archive. So I know if I hear from them.
Mom,
it is- I think so, but my team.
Yeah.
So like I know कि in groups में कुछ होगा तो it is important. Otherwise, everyone is an archive.
Oh, they are. You also use the
Everyone is an
archives.
archive. Like you see my archive, bro. You'll be like, oh, you are also.
Yeah, I know. I get it.
see, this is my archives. Everything is an archive.
same.
Showing off their archive.
It is too much. It's nothing personal. I just can't. I can't. And I'm usually not looking at my phone. I'm like,
Do you have a girlfriend or a partner?
no, not right now.
Yeah. Explain.
No. Oh, no. When I'm seeing someone or dating someone, then I'm on my phone. Then I have to be, because that problem has happened before. Where that's happened enough times where I don't
And the
reply.
girl is, bro, you archived me for 7 days.
No. That I know how to handle. Wait, right now I don't have to, so it's good.
Crazy. What else do you want to talk about, dude? What is like something which has been exciting you or bothering you lately?
These roads, but I don't want to talk about the roads right now. There were 3 roads that were blocked, dude, while I was coming here. Like in Bandra's worse. By the way, I want you to know, Kandivali is way better right now than
I'm
Bandra
sure.
is.
I'm sure.
It is way better. The roads we have are better. They're functional. Bandra's disgusting.
Yeah.
It's horrible. Why are people paying so much to
Yeah.
stay here? But the road outside your house is fine. I won't tell people where. But like outside this house is fine. But in general, Bandra's
It's very bad,
It's
bro.
horrible.
I just enjoy it now.
Enjoy what?
Like 2 दिन पहले I was going in an auto and I was seeing कि एक गली थी जो नहीं खुदी हुई थी वो भी. I just started laughing, dude. I was like, this is so much fun. There were times when I used to almost start crying when I used to see it. I just enjoy it now. This is beautiful.
It's I think 14th Road, Khar mein, the way they work is fascinating to me, because there was a road, of course. They started, I think, concretizing the road.
That's what they always say.
Yeah, of course,
We are
of course.
concretizing every
And-
road in Mumbai.
And you know how they did it? They started working on half the road. By half, I don't mean horizontally, vertically, like split into half. Half, like adha, ye side, they concretized. The other side, they didn't for 4 months. Like, just this side. This is, what is this way of working, dude? Ye side concrete hai, ye side bas kacha hai. Ye side kacha road hai. But that's okay. I don't want to talk about the roads now. It's just that any other city I go to, the roads are just nice.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why are we...
Yeah.
Even in Kerala, the roads are so good.
Yeah. And what's exciting you lately?
Stand up again, dude. The second I started putting stuff on Instagram, and then it became 2 podcasts, whatever, multiple things. Stand up has just been on the sidelines. Just became this selfish. I was like, jo paisa de raha, main wahi jaunga wala. Then I was like, man, I have to go back to stand up. I had been doing stand up throughout, but I haven't put enough online. So this year I'm going to put way more stand up online. That's the goal. Because I've stopped putting reels every other day now. Because I've run out of ideas. I put like, I don't know how you're doing one every day. Are you still doing it now? How long has it been now?
830, 840 days.
Are you serious, dude? That's like nearly 3 years now.
Yeah.
Not 3 years,
2.5. 2.5. November 24th.
That's how you doing this, dude. That's insane. Like
I do it. I call my guest in front of me. I'm like, "Ruko, meko reel record karne." This is how I do it.
I've started finding like different ways of like I don't put new reels every day now, But what I do is hack the system now. I put trial reels. I just put my old reels as trial reels now, okay? And then after a while, Instagram caught me. And of course, Instagram won't allow you to put the same reel again as trial reel. But I got enough views out of that already. But then they were like, you can't put the same reel. So then now I cut out the last 5 seconds of beach ka 5 seconds. And then I put the reel again. And it works again. Yeah, but side I'll show you 1 second. Everyone does it. A lot of people, trial reels is just something people abuse at this point. They just, wait, this is my trial reels. It's just my old reels that I've...
You have 1 million views on a trial reel.
Yeah. And it goes out directly to your non-followers, right? Like, I mean, I think a very small percentage of your followers see it, like around 1% maybe.
जैसे मैंने आज जो reel बनाई,
Yeah.
if I put it on trial reel and if it is the only thing I put, तो मेरी आज की main reel कभी गई नहीं.
No. People will get it on their feed, but it won't show up on
It
your
is
profile.
not like my final main post.
So I've used it for that purpose also. But I think how Instagram intends, like people, I mean, what they want people to do is put a reel as a trial reel. If you want to test out a format or whatever it is, your audience doesn't necessarily have to see it first, because if it fails, then it's just on your main profile. You can put it as a trial reel. If it works, then you can put it on your main grid. After whenever you want to put it on your main grid, you can put it on your main grid. Then it starts showing it to your followers.
Okay, so I don't have to post again. I can just
No, you
convert
can
my
just- trial reel into your main reel whenever you want to do that.
So what Instagram says is कि you can find out किस reel से you've got the maximum number of followers, and what people used to do is post that reel again as a trial reel.
That's what I've
Now
done.
Instagram has started clamping down on any repurposed content and वो सब हटा रहे, so your reach gets affected.
No, it doesn't. I hope this doesn't reach Instagram, but if you cut out the last 5 seconds, done, you can. It doesn't. I'm telling you, I put it like 3 days back, man, and I got 1 million views on that. I'm telling you, not 3 days back, but like a few days back. Because you have to, man. I'm tired of Instagram just being like, har din kuch naya leke. I'm like, dude, I have to write stand-up and other things also. I can't like think of new ideas. After the 500, 600 mark now, I was like, I can't think of real ideas. Like I have to change what I'm doing.
600
Reels in general or
okay.
something. I was like, I have to think of something new now. I'm tired of doing the same thing over and over again.
And how
So,
many followers do you have right now?
I'm just about reaching 1 lakh. Just
Oh, lovely.
itna pass. It took me so long, but it's okay. I wasn't going for the followers. I like that my audience is nice. And they come for shows also.
It was your reel only, na, जिसको देख के मैं पागल हो गया था. After which I made it. The cases are increasing.
yeah.
The cases are decreasing.
Yeah.
It was yours only.
That's when during lockdown I had nothing to do, so I was just doing it, and turns out that's all.
You used to be so funny in lockdown. What happened?
I don't know. More ADHD happened. More ADHD happened after that. No, but lockdown ke time it was so nice. You could just put anything. I was just putting anything. I think that's it. That's all. The problem is after that 30 followers, I was like, अब थोड़ा सोच कर डालना पड़ेगा.
That's the key. No, you don't have to do it.
You don't have to. That's why trial reels mein I put anything. That's what I like now. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's not even on my profile. I'll just like I do this one thing now. थोड़े reels डाले मैंने on Amazon. I find random things, and my Amazon feed is also bullshit. It's just anything. I put this reel where I found.
Sure.
I'll show you that. I won't show you my reel. I don't like looking at my own face, but I'll show you the products. Did you know you can get these can sleeves? Beer ke can sleeves रहते हैं ना? Beer can रहता है उसमें you can put these sleeves too. It's either for grip. It's usually for grip. But there's another thing people are trying to do, which is make it look like you're having a soda.
I didn't understand any of it.
You have a beer can. Okay, imagine this is a beer can. Now, if you want to have it in public, you can't, right? Like on the road or somewhere. So there are these can sleeves which you put on top, like a
Diet Coke
cover.
का something.
Yeah, like see.
Oh, ये सब चल रहा है.
See,
Currently unavailable.
Wait, I'll show you the best ones.
ये सब हो रहा है बाहर.
Arey, I'm telling you, Amazon is a different.
Am I the only one drinking Diet Coke?
Yeah, everyone else is having beer. अरे कहाँ चले गए? They can't really use the brand name, at least not in the listings. I guess वो असली में मिलता है कि नहीं पता नहीं. तो फैंटा के बदले फेंट और पेप्सी के बदले पॉप्सी. But it's fun. Amazon really sells anything, which is what the reason I started Spender Vendor is not because I was like कुछ अलग. I actually have a spending problem and I keep looking at stuff. So
अगर आप महीने का 100 रुपए कमाते हो तो आप कितना ऐसी बकचोदी में स्पेंड करते हो?
पहले तो मैं पूरा ही कर रहा था, but I couldn't afford to. I can't. But now I made sure कि पहले सेविंग्स में जाए, उसके बाद जो बचा है मैं देखूँ ही नहीं वो पैसे. मतलब वो आते ही चले जाए फिर मेरे मन में वही. That's the I have to trick myself in ways. But सब तो जाते ही है. सब जाते हैं. I like now I've reduced it to थोड़ा और मैं सोच के खर्चा करता हूँ. Like recently this is right here. This wasn't needed. My last I talked about it on the podcast also, but it's just like see the ring that tracks your.
Yeah, वो.
This is Gabbett, not Ultra Human. Gabbett करके भी है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है अभी ऐसा भी कुछ. I don't know why I bought it. That's what I'm telling you.
How much was it?
14K. I know. I didn't want an Apple Watch, so I used to use an Apple Watch.
You're rich, bro.
Dude, it's Ultra Human is double the price. I just didn't want. You have an Apple Watch right here. I didn't buy. I didn't want to. Sorry. I had an Apple Watch, and when I was on a run, the screen just popped up. Like it just popped out.
What are you
I'm not.
saying?
I'm sure it.
Was it Apple or Apple or what are you? कोई sleeve लगा लियो.
No. I've had a proper Apple Watch only, but the screen, the SE Apple Watch SE.
I think I had this watch for 5 years.
Same. I had mine for like 3-4 years, but the screen just popped out. And it was still functioning. Then I finished my run or cycling or जो भी था. Then I went back, got it fixed. वो लोग ने चिपकाया. Once चिपकाया, then it just didn't turn on. So I didn't want to buy a new Apple Watch, which is why I bought this.
I'll tell you the story of this headphones. These are Bose QC like Comfort, Bose Comfort.
Yeah.
I'll tell you why I like this, bro. Bro, it blows my mind. You know how long I have had these for? 8 years.
8 years?
8 years. And they still work perfectly.
Have you changed these?
I changed the
pads?
cushion.
Yeah. The cushion looks.
Yeah. I've changed the cushion twice and I need to again. But bro, it is still brilliant. Like I got it in 2018 or early 2019.
Man, I forget 8 years ago was 2018. In my head, it was 2006. I don't know why.
Yeah, and I have been thinking कि जिस दिन ये बंद होंगे ना मैं कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी करूँगा. Like I'll give a proper funeral to these because I haven't had a piece of tech which is as sturdy and as reliable because your phones में OS update हो जाता है, फलाना हो जाता है वगैरह.
Yeah.
Bro, this is I still have like 15 hours of battery in these.
Are you serious?
मतलब डबल डिजिट तो
थोड़ा
है.
कम तो हुआ
डबल
रहेगा,
पहले तो
obviously.
बहुत था. It's still double digit, bro.
I have the Sony XM4s,
which are also the best. Yeah, that and
works
this. Yeah.
perfectly well. That's it. So now I think thoda sa I've calmed down with the way I'm spending. If I find a good product,
Yeah, मतलब
That's
I
good
don't
enough.
think you need to buy anything after this, bro. And that should be the point of every product you buy in general.
Exactly.
Not like कि हमने OS update कर दिया तो you're
yeah, then nothing happens. But Bose in general is हाँ दिख रहा है ये Bose like लिखा हुआ हाँ वो चला गया अभी आधा 8 साल. It better stop working only after 10 years.
मेरे को याद है because I used to live in अंधेरी ईस्ट एंड लाइक हमारे घर के साथ में कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू हुआ था और तब ऐसे होता था कि घर के साइड में बिल्डिंग बन रही. इट वाज अ न्यू फीलिंग कि शिट. फिर मैंने नॉइस कैंसलेशन चालू की. नाउ यू नीड टू हैव दिस. हाँ कि नाउ यू नीड टू हैव नॉइस कैंसलेशन ऑल लाइक एवरी टाइम.
Oh, you need to, especially if you're traveling within the city and all. I love it. वो दिन मैं I was on a flight. It was very cute. अभी 2 दिन पहले I had my noise cancellation. I always keep that on in the flight because like always there were 2 very loud people next to me. So I was like noise cancellation. मैं चुपचाप बैठता हूँ. But then I realized there were two guys, younger, early 20s, two young guys. I think it was their first time on a flight. I was coming from Delhi to Bombay, so it was their first time on the flight. And then I was like, okay, this is just cute. They're just very excited. They were loud, but they were just excited to be on a flight. And everything was new to them or what's. Okay, and it was nice to see. But what was funny was 1 hour into the flight, okay, I'm half asleep listening to songs, and looks like they were trying to call me for like a minute, and I didn't, because सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था. But then eventually he had to be like, bhai. I was like, क्या हुआ? And then he was like, कहाँ पहुँचे हम? I was like, I don't, we're on a flight, I don't know, we're in the air, I don't know कहाँ पहुँचे यार ये. That's the cutest question I've heard. I was like, मुझे कहाँ पहुँचे तो मुझे नहीं समझ आएगा.
Amazing.
कहाँ पहुँचे कोई नहीं पूछा.
So
innocent, yeah. कहाँ पहुँचे? I've never heard anyone ask me कहाँ पहुँचे.
I go to Carter Road every day for a walk, and I have these on most of the times, particularly if they are charged. I have had so many people in hindsight told me, we called you, you didn't listen to it. I'm like, bro, I have my headphones on, full volume, noise cancellation. I have had so many aunties, whenever we call you every time and you are like, never respond. मैंने कहा मेरे को नहीं पता चलता bro.
That's perfect. That's the use of this. You shouldn't see. It's like the phone. You shouldn't always be available. You should be with your own thoughts also. Sometimes.
You know, Carter Road is being exploited like anything. Every second person is making content.
Yeah.
And every second person is, do you have a minute?
Yeah.
And people are making branded content there. Come and eat our chutney and we'll feature.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like people are bringing their food products there and they are like, we'll feature you, we are from this brand. Basically, marketing managers of company like come with their social media managers and like they have like 4 things. एक बहुत famous sweet shop ने भी ये किया था और कल किसी चटनी वाले ने किया था. It was morning, dude. It was morning, like 8-9 a.m. And they are stopping people and जो बुड्ढे लोग होते हैं, they are very innocent. वो रोकते हैं कि क्या हुआ and then they are getting exploited कि आइए. और सबसे गंदी बात पता है क्या है, क्योंकि लोगों को सड़क पर रोक के मैंने भी सब्सक्राइब कराया. This is branded content. These are like proper marketing people standing there. It's like you have to walk in a way that a content creator doesn't stop you.
Every city has this. Bangalore also has Brigade Road वाले वहाँ पे same. ये it's just people waiting to catch you. Thankfully, have you been caught? Have you given one of those interviews?
नहीं. I just say no.
No?
No, मैंने कॉलेज में एक बार एक ऐसा किया था कि क्विज ले रहे थे एंड मेरे को नहीं दुनिया को दिखाना था मेरी IQ कितनी कम है, सो मैंने इंटेंशनली गलत आंसर दिया.
Why?
कि who discovered electricity? गांधी जी.
So that you're
so that I looks like कि इसको आता है बट ये वो कर रहा है. What if Weber doesn't know who invented electricity?
Because I've been wanting, I'll go once. At some point, I'll go to Carter Road and I've never been stopped. I want to be stopped once by... I've never walked past. I didn't know Carter Road पे इतना चल रहा है.
बहुत bro, like.
I want to be stopped once. I'll say no, but I want to be stopped. I just want to be stopped once so that I can say no.
और इसके बाद और लोगों को आइडिया आ जाएगा. अच्छा, चार मार्केटिंग लोग ऐसे हो जाएंगे. चलो कार्टर रोड. आप ये सोचो ना, चलने की जगह कितनी है बॉम्बे में.
Exactly.
तो यहाँ आ गए ना सर.
Yeah, that's true.
अंधेरी में where can you walk like this? You can't walk on the beach because it's dirty.
It's shit. Yeah.
Right.
Like
it's actually shit.
Literal shit. Yeah.
So,
but there is one guy cleaning. I'm sure he doesn't need my shout out, but he's just that Divya Fofani. He's with each follow or something, he's cleaning like one kachara ka ye on beaches. He did like 10,000 pieces of kachara recently or something. अच्छा है.
Yeah.
But at least वो ये नहीं है, what do you do, what's your body count, ये सब.
Yeah. But like nice. There are so many things I love about Carter Road. That's why like I wanted always कि थोड़ा सा पास हो उसके. इतनी सुंदर चीज़ें. Every Saturday people come to clean and इतना intentionally करते हैं. फिर कचरे के सारे वो लेके एक ग्रुप में फोटो लेते हैं. But dude, इतना कुछ चल रहा है अभी and I have become like 30s में ना. There are these run clubs which are like basically like for dating now.
Dude, I didn't know that. You know, I keep seeing it. सुबह कौन? Who's horny in the morning, dude? Why are people waking up and horny? That's
मेरे को बहुत बाद में पता चला कि run clubs are for dating.
Yeah, I don't know. Do they run at all? I'm serious. Do they run or is this how is it do you know how it's a
I
dating?
don't know the mechanics of it. Like, कि how
सुबह सुबह 5 बजे कौन horny हो रहा है यार? I haven't understood. सुबह उठते ही थे like थोड़ा dating हो जाए, पागल हो गया यार. I want to know these running clubs. I saw this Delhi run club या कुछ.
Yeah.
एक दो reel देख लिया फिर Instagram was like अब यही देखते रहे वाला.
then
So
क्या
I saw
पता?
it now.
What did you realize from that?
Yeah, it's a dating thing only, but I didn't. Bombay का मुझे नहीं पता. I didn't know it was a widespread thing कि हर run club यही है. I thought that run club भाग club या कुछ तो था उसका नाम. And that तो even they were very transparent about it कि हाँ ये तो dating का ही है.
कि you get to talk to girls.
Both genders are there for dating only. Both genders are there for dating. But Bombay में मेरे को नहीं पता. I didn't know it was a nationwide phenomenon.
And I think the way you don't have privacy anywhere is very interesting now. कि but जब आप like walk पे निकलते हो कि कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा, it's beautiful कि nobody gives a fuck about your peace basically.
Yeah,
कि
either they're asking your body count, you look to the right. पता है C के बीच में now they have those ads.
yeah, C के बीच में there are ads.
Where do you look, dude? You look to the left, there's a Vox Pop guy. You look to the right, there's an ad. There's an ad. What do? This city is too much. अब वो सीलिंग नहीं किया वो सो अब बांद्रा सीलिंग बनाएंगे अब रोड भी देख इट्स जस्ट कांदिवली आ जाओ वहाँ पे
Yeah,
जगह
man,
है
अभी-
नेशनल पार्क है वहाँ पे अब तक नहीं पहुँचे हैं.
अभी I think अगले 5-10 years के लिए नवी मुंबई will be the new cool.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it is like एक दो बार मैं गया and I'm like everything is complete there.
Yeah, it's a completely different world. Navi Mumbai is fully different, but within the western suburbs, Kandivali is honestly better now. It actually is. The weather is better because of the national park being right there. Nothing else, but like the national park's right there. Leopards come. I'm not. I said this like it's a positive thing. It's really scary. Leopards come, but yeah.
Array Forest is there.
Array is near Goregaon. Goregaon ke then Malad, then Kandivali, and Borivali.
Yeah, I know the
Sorry.
stations.
Then-
I've traveled enough. yeah.
Then is Bandar. Sorry, Dahisar. Then is Dahisar. Then is Mira Road. Then Bandar. Then I forgot. No. विरार के पहले आते हैं. The only reason I know कि विरार के पहले नाला सुपारा आता 3-4 आता है is because sorry I again for
No,
a completely different topic. But when I was in my mid-20s, once I got drunk near Gokul at Gokul, and after that my friends were staying back. I was like सुबह 4 बज गया मैं घर जा रहा हूँ मुझे नींद आ रही है मैं घर जा रहा हूँ तो I took the train, passed out in the train. I woke up. I was like ठीक है उतरने का टाइम आ गया मैं उतरा and I saw like I walked down. I took a cigarette and then I told the rickshaw guy कि भैया कांदिवली जाना है ये ठाकुर विलेज जाना है. Exact location नहीं पता but ठाकुर विलेज जाना है and they were like हाँ. And then 4 rickshaws said no to me. I was like, what the f is happening, dude? I need to go home. 5th guy, I was like, अरे I said ठाकुर विलेज. He was like, नहीं. I was like, क्यों नहीं चल रहे हो? And he was like, भैया क्योंकि आप विरार आ गए हो. And I was like, dude, what? I slept at Churchgate. I woke up and I just assumed I reached Kandivali. I had reached Virar and I walked out. Immediately I knew where to get a cigarette also. I've never been to Virar station. I knew exactly where to get a cigarette. And I got my cigarette. And the bad part is, 3 weeks after that, I got drunk in town somewhere again. I did it again. I slept in the train. This time I woke up in Nala Sopara.
You know where to get the cigarette from?
No. I got out and I saw thoda aage chala and I was like, this time I'm way more aware now. This is not Borivali. So that's why I know.
And I think a very good end to the podcast. And yes, Weber, hence I do not like Max Verstappen.
Yeah, hence I do not like Max Verstappen. I'll tell you, like, sorry, you can finish it right there, but I'll just tell you the amount, like, what. The one comment was, Govind ko chup hi baithne bol. People are really pissed that I don't like Max Verstappen. But I understand. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah.
No, because I'm saying this because that is where our first tangential topic started from.
Yeah.
And then we...
So let's take it again. And to finish it, say it again.
yeah. And I think a very... Okay, now I don't talk.
It's okay. Sorry for
This will
posting
be a better end. This will be like a much more. But is there anything I did not talk about that you would like to speak about?
No, dude, I'm sorry.
I also think you have rheumatoid arthritis.
What? Thank you, dude. I think that's all. Should I? Do I have a gallbladder stone? Should I have my gallbladder removed? Thank you for having me, man. This was fun. Sorry, I talked about 25 things every
That's
minute.
why we called you, bro. Did I ask you for any recommendation? No. I knew what I signed up for.
Perfect.
Amazing, bro. This was lovely, and let's keep doing this. I hope you keep replying to my
Yes,
message
I
every
will.
now
You're
and
out of archives.
then. Oh, let's go, bro.
Let's go.
You need to come out of archives for going to reply.
Yeah.
सही है, bro. मजा आ गया. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
है
having
ना?
me, dude.